Welcome back to Divine Threefold. We are moving. Yes, we got our answer and we're moving. Finally, a weight lifted off my shoulders. We are moving. Our movers will be here July 20th. They will pack, they will load, and off we go to Washington from Indiana. Hey, if you're new here, I am Jennifer with Divine Threefold, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for sharing this journey with me. I appreciate it. I thought I would just bring you along to tell you the good news and also maybe invite you to, this is kind of sad, but to take down my meditation space and to take down my filming space. And I wanted you guys to do it with me. It's kind of a bummer. Again, the weight has been lifted off my shoulders because at least I know and our life is not so in limbo and we can go ahead and move. But I'm sad too. If I've spoke before, if you followed me, then you know that this was the home, our first home that we purchased here in Indiana. We kind of fell in love with this little town we're in, and yeah, so we bought this house. It's on a really pretty lake, and oh my gosh, I'm tried my best not to get attached, but I did. Yeah, it's a beautiful home, and it's our first home. It's a big deal. So it just really has a special place in my heart, and it's just a magical place. It really is. So I'm going to miss it. We are keeping the home, and we are going to rent it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, for like a decade maybe. My husband still has like maybe close to 10 years left in the Army if he does his 20. So, oh my gosh, here we go. So I am going to invite you to join me, and this will help me. I thought I would make it fun for me because, again, it's kind of sad if I would just do it by myself. So I thought, well, I'll film it, and then you guys can make it better. So I hope you enjoy it. I also want you to check out, I'll put it up above, I have a video of how I set up my meditation space, and so check that video out. It's kind of cool because that's why I wanted to do this, because I set it up with you guys on my channel. So check that video out. That's kind of cool. It gives you ideas if you want to set up a little meditation space in your home. Doesn't have to be a meditation, but prayer, a book reading nook, just your own quiet space. So yes, check that video out. And what else can I say? Oh, and so with the Army, the movers are coming and they move everything. But we always pull a trailer. They call it like a personal move, to where we kind of take some weight too. And so we always pull a trailer, and then we just kind of bring, our valuables, things that can't be replaced. And so that's why I'm going to pack all this meditation and all that stuff. I always pack it and keep it with me. And yeah, and then definitely when I get to the new place, I will find a space and set it up again, and I will have you guys join me for that. So let's get right to it. Come on. Okay guys, so I'm just going to have this big Sterilite container. I think it will all fit in here with my meditation stuff and my filming space. So I'm going to be quiet, and I'm going to speed this up, guys, because this could take a while. So, but I'm just happy you'll be with me. So let's do this. Thank you for joining me for that. That was so special, and it made it better since I was filming it for you guys. It wasn't so sad, but I appreciate you joining me. And the next video, I thought I would do an empty house tour, since you really never saw the house, and I'll just do an empty house tour when it's all completely empty. All right, I'll see you soon.